Hey everyone, welcome to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to show you a super simple way to stop your Mac from going into sleep mode. Let's get started. First things first, head up to the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and click on it. Then select System Settings. Okay, now in System Settings, scroll down until you find Lock Screen and click on that. Alright, once you're in the lock screen settings, pay close attention to the top three options. These are the ones that control the sleep settings. The first option, Start Screensaver when inactive, lets you choose how long it takes for your screensaver to kick in. I'm gonna leave mine at 10 minutes. Now, the next two are the most important. These directly control when your Mac goes to sleep. You'll see Turn Display Off on Battery when inactive. If you never want your Mac to sleep when it's running on battery, just select Never from the drop-down. The next one is similar. Turn Display Off on Power Adapter when inactive. This lets you choose how long it takes for your Mac to sleep when it's plugged in. Again, if you want it to always stay awake, select Never. And that's it. With these options set to Never, your MacBook won't go to sleep, whether it's running on battery or plugged into the power adapter. This is based on my own experience, and I hope it helps you out. You can find more helpful links in the description below. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.